everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a few simple exercises for your sciatica pain. Try to do this every day. We're going to do a few exercises. You can choose all of them or you can choose only one or two from this bed. So we're going to just get started. You can choose your bed. You can lay on the floor. You can lay on the couch, wherever you feel comfortable. Let's say you have a problem in your right leg. So your right leg goes like this. Grab your left leg, press it against or push it against your chest. Hold in this position for about 20 seconds. You feel a nice muscle pull, nice stretching in your buttocks, in your leg. You're gonna repeat this 3 times, 20 seconds. Take a short breath, release it, and do it once again. And each time you can push a little bit more towards your chest and release it. Remember, do this on both sides. We're going to continue on this with the second exercise. The second one goes like this. Remember, I have a problem on my right side now. We're going to stretch our arms and you're going to try to reach with your feet towards your hand. And you can grab your feet, extend your leg, and you feel a nice stretching from the hip part towards your knee. Stay in this position again, 20 seconds. If you want a little combination with the lower back, you turn your head away from your arm. Stay 20 seconds. Release a little bit and repeat 3 times and change the sides. The next exercise is a very simple one. You just grab your right knee and push your knee towards your left shoulder. You feel nice little stretch also on the side, maybe also in your hip area in front. Stay in this position 20 seconds, repeat 3 times. Next one, you're gonna sit down. We're gonna do the same. Leg goes like this. You're gonna take your elbow, place it on the outside part of your knee and turn away from this leg. This is a nice stretching also for your lower back. You feel the tension in your lower back and in your right buttocks. Again, 20 seconds, repeat 3 times, both sides. Next one, with one hand, grab your feet, with the other one, grab your knee. Sit straight and push your knee towards your left shoulder. You're gonna feel nice little stretch all the way down towards your buttocks. 20 seconds, 3 repetitions, and release. Next thing you will do, take your painful leg, stretch the other one. With your feet, aim towards your hip area, and with your knee, push with your hand your knee towards your left shoulder. Stretch it 20 seconds, feel the tension, and release. Repeat 3 times each side. The last one we are gonna do, take your painful leg, place it like this, grab it with both hands, sit straight, and now you try to reach with your nose towards your knee and push slightly your knee towards your left shoulder. Stay in this position for about 20 seconds, 3 repetitions, as you know already, and change the sides. In addition to your sciatica exercises, you can take things to another level. You can decrease your muscle tension in your buttocks area, in your lower back area with a simple balls. This one is specialized for the buttocks, but with my patients, I also use the tennis ball. So we're gonna use a tennis ball now. Just place it on your buttocks, on your painful area, and try to sit on it and do a nice slow circle movements. You can do this for about a minute or 2. It's very painful, or it can be painful. Roll with the circle movements and enjoy in this painful treatment. Thanks for watching. I hope these exercises will help you. Stay with me, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.